Exmark Viking for sale. Okay, I've got it comes with one set of blades, one extra set of blades. Okay, I'm not too sure which one of these go to it. We'll figure that out later, but it's come with one set of brand new blades. There is no hour meter on this thing. It comes complete with a mulch kit installed already. Okay. It also comes with the Velky in the back. That's your little wheel. Your little wheel on the back. Your Velky. Okay, let's start her up. Okay, we're going to take it for a spin. As you can see, it runs beautifully. I hate to sell this thing, but this was one of our spares. I'm changing up careers. Okay, so my loss is your gain.